Welcome back to the Innovation Theater. Our next presenters are Kevin Young and Amanda Stefanski with the Malish Corporation.
All right, so we are very excited to be at the ISSA Product Innovation. We have a newest innovation to the market from the Malish Corporation. It's called the Flex Scrub. It's an ultimate bristled floor pad, and we're happy to show you a video about it right now.
Introducing the revolutionary Flex Scrub, the ultimate bristled floor pad that installs easy like a pad and cleans deep like a brush. Featuring the innovative Flex Coupler, a patent-pending universal adapter that adheres to multiple pad drivers with no special attachments required. The bristles dig down deep into the grout and texture of the floors. The Flex Scrub outperforms traditional floor pads up to 50 to 1. Flex Scrub has self-cleaning bristles that won't gum up, no flipping needed. The Flex Scrub is lightweight and flexible for ease of use. Flex Scrub by Malish. Break the mold.
Hello and welcome to a video walkthrough of the Malish Corporation's newest innovation, the Flex Scrub, the ultimate bristled floor pad that installs easy like a pad and cleans deep like a brush. It's a revolutionary product in the market and we're excited to dig in and tell you all about it. First off, what is Flex Scrub? It's unique technology that is unlike anything in the market today. It's the Malish Corporation's better solution to a traditional floor pad. It blends the easy installation of a traditional pad with the deep cleaning power of a brush. The Flex Scrub features the patent-pending Flex Coupler, which is a quick change universal adapter that allows for easy installation to any pad driver, including both tufted and non-tufted. The problem with traditional floor pads are they gum up quickly with dirt and debris, needing replaced often. They skim over grout lines and textures of the floor. The new Flex Scrub is the solution to those problems. It delivers powerful performance, outlasting traditional floor pads up to 50 times to 1. It delivers a deeper clean, as you can see in the photo. Bristles reach into the grout lines and texture of the floor. It reduces labor and product costs. The Flex Scrub cleans better, lasts longer, and is more durable. They're easier to use than floor pads that installs to any pad driver. There's no stopping or flipping needed, and there's no gumming up when cleaning or stripping. The Flex Scrub bristles are self-cleaning as you use it, so there's no need to wash out. There's no concern about healing like with traditional floor pads. They reach into the uneven parts of the floors, like by floor drains or uneven tiles, and it's flexible and lightweight. Here's a quick video showing how well it performs when stripping floors.
Introducing the revolutionary Black Flex Scrub. With the Black Flex Scrub, stripping finish from your floors can be quick and effortless. The objective is to get your floor to the base level, removing all floor finish. With the Flex Scrub, Malish can get you there quick and easy. Strip away layers of floor finish with ease, with no need for countless flipping and replacement of gummed up pads. The Black Flex Scrub will outlast traditional floor pads up to 50 times longer, leaving the floor stripped down to the base quicker than ever before. When the floors are bad, forget the pad. The Black Flex Scrub has you covered.
Shown here are the options available for Flex Scrub. When ordering, you'll choose the same color you would use for a traditional floor pad and order the same size as your pad driver. Available grit colors are red, blue, green, and black. Sizes included are 13, 16, 17, 19, and 20 inch. Here's a great video showing how the Flex Scrub outperforms a traditional floor pad.
Introducing the revolutionary Flex Scrub. Break away from traditional floor pads and clean better than ever before. See for yourself why Flex Scrub cleans better than a traditional pad. Split down the middle is a ceramic tile floor. Both the left and right show dirt, germs, and debris illuminated by a UV light. On the right, a green flex scrub is used, a bristled floor pad that reaches into cracks and crevices to scrub out dirt and debris, sweeping them away. On the left, a green traditional floor pad. Dirt and debris seem to be clean from the surface of the tile, but let's take a closer look. When the UV light is illuminated, you can see how the traditional floor pad on the left simply swirled around the dirt and debris. On the right, the flex scrub dug deep into the grout lines and pores of the tile to release dirt and sweep them away, leaving no residue to glow under the UV light. Upon further inspection, comparing the traditional floor pad to the flex scrub, you can see how the flex scrub not only picks up the dirt and removes it from the floor, it is also self-cleaning. With minimal dirt and debris in the bristles of the flex scrub, you're ready to tackle the next floor without transferring germs from one room to the next. Which floor would you prefer? Seeing is believing.
Kevin and Amanda, thank you for that presentation. We wanted to ask you a couple of questions. Sure. First, let's start with, how does this compare to a traditional pad?
Well, the biggest difference is that it has bristles, and so the bristles will agitate the dirt from the grout lines or whatever surface you're cleaning and actually clean a whole lot better. As well as each one of these pads will outlast 50 pads. So if you take in consideration the cost of 50 pads, this is a heck of a cost savings.
Yeah, absolutely. So then can you use this only on a Malish made driver, or can you use it on other drivers that are out there on the market?
Actually, great question. You can use it on any pad driver in the market. It can be a tufted pad driver. It can be a Mighty Lock type pad driver, but it doesn't have to be Malish. It can be any pad driver on the market. This is a universal fit, and all we need to know is what size pad driver you have, and that's the same size flex pad that you will use.
And you are up for an Innovation of the Year award here at ISSA this year. What does that mean for Malish?
I tell you, it's great. Innovation is the kind of the backbone of our company. We always try to innovate, bring something new to the ISSA. The exposure here is fantastic. The trade show so far this year is much better than what we anticipated, and it's just an honor to be part of the process here.
Yeah, so if you have any questions, be sure to stop by and talk to you guys and check out the product. Thank you for being here.
Appreciate it.
We appreciate it. We'll be back in 15 minutes.